Are you convinced that the effects of all the electricity that's generated, all of the climate change that might be affected by AI, is worth the benefit? In other words, is it really going to be beneficial for society to use this much additional electricity to get the benefits of AI?
It is, no doubt in my mind. I mean, generative AI is the second phase of AI. Then we will go maybe to the super AI sometime in the future. So all of this would need huge data centers, and that's why we're talking to everyone, and we started building so many data centers, and the world need more data centers. Now the problem is, to your point, the power consumption with this data centers. And as I said in my opening remarks, you will just one day of ChatGPT learning is the equivalent of about 26,000 homes in the US, which consumes a lot of energy. So we have to work on how we can balance, the pros and cons of the use of AI. What we are doing, for instance, in Saudi Arabia, I think is a good solution. In our targets by the year 2030, we want to have 50% of our power generation to be based on renewable, and the other 50 will be based on gas, which emit less than liquid. So we have to invest more in the renewable energy. If you look at the targets by 2040, I think it's $283 trillion needed to be invested cumulatively from the year 2020 until 2040. We haven't achieved much. What we have achieved so far is like 1.7 last year or 1.2 trillion. So that means we have to pace our investments or deployment by 5 trillion in annual base globally.
Final question at this point.